Hey, hello everyone. Hope you had a wonderful last week. I think it was really good because the market has come down really nicely as predicted earlier. So today in this video, I think we are going to see the levels where Nifty can go to in the next week. So if you see, I think Nifty has broken 19,350 conclusively. So these are the important levels. I think it is currently trading below. This is a daily time frame, and if I go back to the weekly time frame, the most important thing you can see here is it has formed four consecutive red candles. We are expecting levels closer to at least these levels. And one more important thing which is observed on the monthly time frames is the price chart on the top and then the RSI which is there on the bottom. It clearly says there is a bearish divergence. The price is making a higher high and then the RSI, the indicator is making a lower high. So which clearly shows that there is a bearish divergence. So considering all the factors which I just mentioned, we can see a good correction for the next week. And also, if you look at Bank Nifty, I think the worrying factor is that if you see on a weekly time frame, I think it is just close below the 50 SMA, simple moving average. So ideally, this should be acted as support. And if this level is broken, I think we are at least looking at the levels at these levels. Having said that, I think it can take support on the SMA, 20-day SMA, and then it can even bounce back again. But Bank Nifty can be bullish only if it crosses above these levels. So similarly, if you are going to see Fin Nifty has also closed below the 20 SMA. So again, this is one more cause for concern. There might be a little support somewhere here on this candle. If these levels are broken, I think we are looking at an immediate target of 18,400 Fin Nifty. So let's see some of the stocks which we have for the coming week. So I think the first stock which we are looking at is Hindustan Unilever. As discussed earlier, if Nifty Bank and then Finance Nifty is going down, I think there should be some balancing act which has to be done by some other indices. Feel that FMCG happens to be that sector which might do the balancing act. So out of which I think Hindustan Unilever comes first. It's looking good. If you carefully observe, I think there is a little bullish divergence which is happening. The price is making a lower low, and then the indicator is lowering, making a, and then the indicator is making a higher high. So this is a bullish sign. So you can trade. I mean, based on the market conditions, I think you can start looking at once the moving average is broken on the upside. I think we can look at immediate targets at least till these levels. So the next stock is Manappuram Finance. If you see on Friday, I think there was a big selling which happened. However, by the end of the day, I think it recovered a little more. It formed a bearish kind of a hammer. But because the volumes are huge, I think we are expecting a follow-up selling. If these levels are broken, I think we are at least expecting a target towards a moving average, which is 140. The next stock is AU Finance Bank. So if you see, AU Finance Bank has been trading for almost a month now under the 20 SMA. So we can look to short AU Finance Bank at the current levels for an immediate target of 680, 90 levels. And the stop loss should be somewhere here. And if you see, there is a gap also here which might act as a resistance, and also you have the 20 SMA which might act as a resistance. If it closes below these levels, which is around 700 for a target of at least 690, 685 levels. So the next stock is Dr. Reddy's. I think Dr. Reddy's has been in almost a beautiful trend almost since almost like a 2 to 3 months now. And if you see this volume on 23rd of August, I think it has big volumes. If it closes below these levels, if it closes below these levels, I think then there might be a little sideways movement till the time this low is not broken. So, I mean, ideally, you can short Dr. Reddy's uh, at the current levels, and then you can expect a target towards a moving average, and the stop loss should be somewhere just above these levels. Just as a disclaimer, I'm not any SEBI registered advisor, so please consult your financial advisors for any trades which you're willing to take on seeing these videos. Thank you.